channels. The app's branding and marketing efforts are designed to resonate with its target audience, conveying a sense of trust, reliability, and innovation. This includes consistent messaging across all marketing channels, visually appealing assets, and compelling calls to action. The app's user base is diverse and global, spanning across different demographics, geographies, and usage patterns. By catering to the needs and preferences of this diverse audience, the app aims to become the go-to solution for currency conversion worldwide. The Flutter Currency Converter App is designed to adapt to the evolving needs of its users, with regular updates and feature enhancements driven by user feedback and market trends. By staying ahead of the curve, the app remains relevant and competitive in an ever-changing landscape. Continuous optimization is a core principle of the app's development process, with a focus on improving performance, reliability, and user satisfaction with each iteration. This iterative approach allows the app to evolve over time, ensuring that it continues to meet the needs of its users effectively. The app's user interface is designed to be scalable and adaptable, allowing it to provide a consistent and seamless experience across a wide range of devices, screen sizes, and orientations. Whether users are accessing the app on a smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer, they can expect a visually appealing and intuitive interface. Efforts are made to ensure that the app is accessible to users with disabilities, with features such as screen reader support, high contrast mode, and alternative input methods. This commitment to inclusivity reflects the app's dedication to serving all members of its user community. The app's development team is comprised of skilled professionals with expertise in mobile app development, UI, UX design, and financial technology. Their collective knowledge and experience drive the app's success, allowing it to deliver value to users and stakeholders alike. Partnerships with industry leaders and technology providers enable the app to leverage cutting-edge tools and services to enhance its functionality and performance. By collaborating with trusted partners, the app can deliver innovative solutions that meet the needs of its users and exceed their expectations. The app's success is measured not only by its download numbers, but also by its impact on users' lives and its contribution to their financial well-being. By helping users make informed decisions about currency exchange, the app empowers them to take control of their finances and achieve their goals. Community engagement is fostered through various channels, including social media, forums, and user groups. This allows users to connect with each other, share tips and advice, and provide feedback to the app's development team, creating a sense of belonging and ownership among its user base. The app's commitment to transparency and accountability is evident in its open communication with users, stakeholders, and regulatory authorities. By maintaining clear and honest communication channels, the app builds trust and credibility with its audience, fostering long-term relationships and loyalty. In conclusion, the Flutter Currency Converter app is more than just a tool for exchanging currencies. It's a seamless and reliable companion for users navigating the complexities of the global economy. With its intuitive interface, robust functionality, and unwavering commitment to user satisfaction, the app sets the standard for excellence in mobile currency conversion. The Flutter Currency Converter app stands as a testament to modern mobile app development, utilizing Flutter's versatile toolkit to create a seamless currency conversion experience. Through a combination of intuitive design and robust functionality, this app empowers users to perform currency conversions effortlessly on their mobile devices. At the heart of the app lies a suite of carefully selected widgets, each serving a distinct purpose in enhancing the user experience. From the foundational scaffold widget to the dynamic stateful widget, every component plays a crucial role in delivering a polished and responsive interface. The text widget serves as the backbone of the app's interface, providing clear and concise information to users at every step of the conversion process, whether displaying currency rates, conversion results, or user prompts. This widget ensures that essential data is presented legibly and comprehensively. With the center widget, the app maintains visual consistency by aligning all content at the center of the screen. This not only enhances the app's aesthetics, but also improves readability and usability across different devices and screen sizes. The column widget organizes information vertically, facilitating the orderly arrangement of currency selection drop-downs, input fields, and conversion buttons. By structuring the interface in this manner, users can navigate the app's features with ease, minimizing confusion and streamlining the conversion process. Complementing the column widget is the row widget, which enables horizontal arrangement of elements such as currency pairs. This allows users to compare rates side by side, empowering them to make informed decisions when converting currencies. The stack widget proves invaluable for overlaying dynamic elements on top of existing content, ensuring that important information is displayed without disrupting the user experience. Whether showing loading indicators, error messages, or pop-up dialogues, this widget enhances the app's responsiveness and usability. As the fundamental structure of the app, the scaffold widget provides essential layout features such as app bars, drawers, and bottom navigation. By leveraging this widget, the app maintains consistency in design and navigation, enhancing the user's overall experience. The Safe Area widget ensures that content is displayed within the safe area of the device, preventing critical UI elements from being obscured by notches, device cutouts, or system bars. This optimization ensures that the app remains accessible and user-friendly on a wide range of devices. Through the Stateful widget, the app enables dynamic updates in response to user interactions. By maintaining stateful data and triggering widget rebuilds as needed, this widget ensures that changes such as currency selection or input adjustments are reflected in real time, providing users with accurate and up-to-date information. The setState function plays a crucial role in managing stateful data and updating the UI in response to user actions. By invoking this function, the app ensures that changes to currency rates or user inputs are reflected seamlessly, enhancing the overall user experience. Upon launching the app, users are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that prioritizes ease of use. The home screen typically displays current exchange rates for popular currency pairs, allowing users to quickly assess market conditions and make informed decisions. To perform a currency conversion, users simply select the input and output currencies from drop-down menus and enter the desired amount. As they input the amount, the app dynamically updates the conversion result in real time, providing instant feedback and transparency. The app's currency conversion functionality is powered by real-time exchange rate data sourced from reputable financial